Hello everybody, and welcome back to 5 Minute Crypto, the channel where we cover the most important crypto news in just 5 minutes, back again with another very interesting crypto update. And now my question of today is, are you still holding crypto? Yes or no? Comment it down below and let's get on with the content. So one of the reasons that this week is going to be insanely important for crypto is because of Ripple Swell. Now, Ripple Swell is Ripple's annual conference, and this year it is actually also, I guess, priored, or however you want to say that, by 5 regional events, and of which the North American regional event is going to be tomorrow. Might have a huge impact on the XRP price. Who knows what they'll tell, but it's definitely an important event for crypto. Another thing which is really important is that Shelly of Cardano is going to be officially launching their mainnet. That is the 29th of July, and that is going to be tomorrow. It is sometimes dubbed the Ethereum destroyer, killer, whatever. And this can again have a very interesting effect on some crypto prices, mainly that of Ethereum and that of Cardano. Right now, the prices have been going down as I have expected or had predicted. However, things could change tomorrow like crazy, all right? And even if it doesn't change, it's already pretty big news for Cardano holders then, because, well, you're going down when a lot of the market is going up. And if you, for example, bought Bitcoin SV instead of Cardano, you'll be up 15% right now in comparison. All right, troubling signs. Why one analyst is concerned about Bitcoin's latest rally. Now, fun fact, whenever there's a rally going on in Bitcoin or any crypto for that matter, there will always be people saying, yeah, I think it's going to go down. And thus, reading articles like this will only just, I guess, toughen your mood or just make you a little bit sad because, well, to every sunshine comes a little bit of rain afterwards, right? I mean, sometimes they say after rain comes sunshine, but it's also the way that after sunshine comes rain eventually, or comes thunderclouds eventually. And that is exactly what they are saying here, that eventually will fall down. And here, the point they're mentioning is, I guess, right around 10.5, if we were to fall back down. And otherwise here, this would be very bullish, and it would mean 14K minimum, which is the scenario that happened. So we will most likely get to about 14K following their prediction. Exchange activity explodes following Bitcoin's 10K breakout. Well, I think it's pretty obvious to see why exchange volume would skyrocket just now. Main reason being people want to trade this because the price is going up, right? So I don't really see that for a title of an article. But yeah, you can see Bitcoin's volume is 15.5, which was really like 5 or 6 just a couple of days ago. The volume has been ramping up like crazy and will most likely keep doing that for a little while. Tether is also nearly at 20 billion, Ethereum 6.5, and XRP at 700 mil. Pretty crazy. Chainlink loses key price support as Bitcoin shatters 10K resistance. Now, I like it that all these articles are talking about the 10K resistance when we are really quite a ways above 11K already. It's not like we are still struggling at 10.1 or anything like that. No, we are way above that at 11.1K, which in my opinion as well is pretty crazy, pretty insane to see. But Chainlink is not enjoying that, Tezos is not enjoying that, Stellar's not enjoying that, Cardano's not enjoying that. And the main reason for that is these coins have been doing so good when Bitcoin was doing bad, that now that Bitcoin is doing really, really good, people are starting to transfer their gains over into those coins. With that also came a gold and silver rush. Just these metals have gone really, really insane, the precious metals. And to quote, gold smashes through a new all-time high. Is it the time for Bitcoin now? Precious metal makes a new high in about a decade. Not a bad thing for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is likely to follow gold's footsteps and see an increase in correlation with it after shattering its correlation with equities. Now, I think that's another point as to why the prices of Bitcoin have been doing so good. This article states 5 reasons. I think one of them is that the correlation between stocks and crypto has finally faded a little bit, and possibly the correlation to gold is going to be more existent and more obvious. However, that is still a little bit of a question to, I guess, just expand upon as time rolls by. Now, one of the things people are stating is the stock to flow model, which has predicted Bitcoin to go up this much already. Well, at least it has just left a lot of room for Bitcoin to go up, all right? Because here's 9,000, and basically there's just so much room for Bitcoin. it could go anywhere up to, let's say, 100,000, maybe 90,000 here, however much it would be. It's pretty damn insane. But the stock to flow model is something you got to believe in, or yeah, it's interesting, but I guess I'm following with it. I'm messing with it because it's very positive, and I mean, it's pretty nice to see, to be completely honest, right? I mean, the stock to flow model is definitely very, very positive, and I think any holder would really like this to be true, as we would get to $1 million in the next 8 years or so, which would be, oh no, actually in the next 5 years, it would be insane. I would be insanely happy. They also say holding helps the POA multiple. I didn't really check this out too much, and that was it. Bitcoin the next bubble just started, or Bitcoin the next bubble just started. Again, saying the Bitcoin bubble is back again. It just is a question of really how faithful people are and how built upon this bull run is now. I mean, if it's just another run like in 2017 where people are basing it upon hype, which they mostly are a little bit, then we could fall down, quite hard. But with Tesla as well, you saw Tesla rise for such a while, and it's just a question of when will the bubble pop, and is it really a bubble or is it sustainable? And all of that is all something you'll find out later as the time continues. Right now at the start, it's really, really difficult to say whether or not it is a bubble, because it could also be that we fall exactly back down today, but it could also be that we fall back down in 10 years. Who knows? We will see. But guys, that was it for this video. Hopefully you all enjoyed it. A lot of my articles were about 10K, but they are all not important anymore, as we breached past 11.2K earlier today, I believe, which is just really, really groundbreaking, but I'm very, very excited for this all. Hopefully you all enjoyed it. Hopefully you're looking out for tomorrow and watching your crypto portfolio. See you guys again in another crypto video. Take care, everybody.